Hello, I'm Jake Hicks, and today I wanted to show you a very colourful setup, one of my favourite setups, but it's actually fairly simple. I've got a lot going on, but there's only 3 lights involved in this one. All of these lights are using my Master of Light presets that are found on the Rotolights. To begin with, we're going to start off with our key. Up there we've got the Anova PRO 3, and we're going to have our nice sort of teal key light. And then coming in below here with a R55 softbox. Inside that we have EOS 2 Pro, and that's set to the orange preset from my pack. And lastly, hidden behind the model is a Neo 3 Pro, and that's set with my pink preset at the back. Settings for this one, we are set at ISO 400 at f2.8, 125th of a second, and the white balance is 5000 Kelvin. So with that all in place, let's get the fan on and let's take some shots. Nice, that's great, perfect. It's good, yep. Now I'm going to take you through this setup one light at a time, and we're going to start off with the background light. Then we're going to bring in our key light, and then we'll bring in our fill light. Color is difficult to work with, but using these lights is just so simple.